Good morning everyone. This is the lecture for class 4, subject English, lesson 1, sentences, lecture 2. And this is the lecture 2 for the solution for homework which is given in your lecture 1. So you have to take care while checking your homework. Exercise 1. Given below are group of words. Rearrange them and make sentences. So the groups of words are: girl this well writes. This girl writes well. Now B part. Girl ran little garden into the. The little girl ran into the garden. You have to take care that your first alphabet should be capital, and in the end you have to put a punctuation mark, that is full stop. So you have to take care the points which have been given to you in lecture first, that first letter should be capital, and you have to put capital letters wherever required, and you have to put punctuation marks accordingly, and the sentence which you are making make sense. They should make sense, and there should be subject also in your sentence. Now C part. Ravi sapling little the planted. Ravi planted the little sapling. Ravi R capital and sapling full stop. Because it is a name, so it should be capital, but it is your first word of your sentence, and the word of first sentence, first letter should be capital. You should take in mind. We school to some the go. We go to the same school. We go to the same school. Boy the sad is. The boy is sad. Full stop. The boy is sad. Now the last sentence. These belong to us balloons. These balloons belong to us. Now this is the first exercise which is completed, and you have to recheck it properly, and the mistakes which you have done you have to write twice in the notebook. Now in the exercise 2, what you have to do, underline the complete sentence in each pair, add full stop or question mark. You have to underline the complete sentence, the sentences which are given in the pair. Samir plants flower. Plants flower. So where you have to take care, subject, verb and object is there. So it is a complete sentence. Full stop is here and the first letter is capital. So it is a complete sentence. You have to underline it. So this is the correct answer of A part. Now come to B part. Likes to read storybooks. So this is not a complete sentence because here there is no subject. So we come to the B part of this pair. Ruchi likes to read storybooks. So we have to underline this because here it is subject, a verb, and storybook is the object over here. So this is the complete sentence. Paints picture. Ria paints a picture. Ria is subject, paints is verb, and picture is object. So it is a complete sentence with punctuation mark and first letter is capital. So you have to underline it because this is the complete sentence. A kind man. Hari is a kind man. Subject and object. Helping verb is also there. So I have told you that if there is only subject and object, that is also a sentence. So this is also a sentence. But over here we have a helping verb, that is ij. E part. The bird hopes. So over here we have the bird subject and hopes is object. So this is a sentence. The bird is not a sentence. These are only few words. Short paragraph. These are also a few words. Next, can you write short paragraph? Question mark is there, that is punctuation mark. First letter is capital, and we have, this is a question, so this is also an interrogative sentence. Blue dress. Do you have a blue dress? Question mark. This shows this is a sentence and it is an interrogative sentence. So, I hope you understand all the things, and you have to take care all the things which I tell you in this lecture. Thank you.